Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how we can lock a page on Microsoft Loop in 2026. So let us dive into this. So guys, navigate to your workspace in Microsoft Loop. Let me go with this one here, and below you will see a list of pages inside your workspace. So let me give that one a title. So it depends pretty much on the page you're on. So I'm on this one here. If you'd like to lock it, you will need to click into these three dots in the top right and switch or toggle on this option, lock page. Now guys, as you can see, editing is not possible. If I click into that text field here or that page header, I won't be able to do anything. If I click into that field below, I won't be able to enter or give any commands. That's because it has been locked. Now to unlock it, again, click into these three dots and switch off that option. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.